Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a quick demo of what the near integration for Integromat can do. So let's say we want to get notified when the protocol version changes on mainnet. We can set that up using the protocol config module, and we can set up the network to be mainnet. We can say that we want a firm change, so when the finality is final, and then we can just fetch a record from the data store. Since we want mainnet, we can fetch the mainnet record, and then we can filter out if the protocol version is different from the version that we have stored, update the record with the new protocol version, and send an email to my current email address with the subject near protocol version change and the protocol version that was changed to. So let's see how that works. Of course, now since the protocol version is 50 and the saved protocol version is also 50, we did not get a change. As you can see here, it filtered out 0 records. If we had, for example, let's see, here's the data store. Here we have one of these records. We can say edit and say it's version 49, even though it's not. But let's say it is. Here, I've edited the version, so now if I go back to scenarios, let's go back to the demo and run it again. Now, as you can see, an email was sent with the content 50 and the subject new protocol version change. All right, that would be it. Just a quick demo of what this app can do. Thank you.